Hello guys and welcome to the video. Today's video is inspired by CalledOut music. I'll be breaking down these beats in efforts to do. First off, let's take a listen. Let's jump in. What I'm about to play right now is the mixed version. Let's get into it.
Honestly, so the time you saved my soul, you've been my remedy. And it's your love, no they finish. You love me, deep. So I will give you all my heart. I'll love you endlessly. I love you endlessly. Cause I have seen there is nothing in this world for me. Cause you are all that matters to me. Oh yeah. And just today, Lord, will use worth 1,000 elsewhere. Oh, I can't believe that the King of Kings knows me by my name. Wherever I've been, I say I'm forever chill. Thank you for your grace, always running right now.
Yo, sorry, it's a bit cracking. Let me just play that verse again. Let's start from here.
Just like an avalanche is running right over. Running over. It's like an avalanche. Who am I that you pour out your love over?
Okay guys, after everything, I'm going to play the entire vibes from start to finish. I still had a lot of melody. Now, as you can see, you realize that when it comes to Afro gospel beats, what is very important is your sound selection. Like I always say, I just try to replicate what we have in the original song. I try as much as possible to make it pretty close. All right. Now you see that we have something like this. That's the lead. Let me just play what we have here. Trust me, this is what is really going on throughout the song. All right, this is what they have throughout the song. For this one, what I did is just to consolidate, just extract this aspect, this one, and consolidate to this guy, which is this one. If you take a listen to this one now, this one. Now, we're going to mix it a little bit. All right. I'm going to show you how I mix it. But then there's what they did here. If you look at this one, I sent it to 15, track 15. Let's go to track 15 and let's see what we have there. So I'm going to enable this guy, which is what we have in track 15. All right. And then I'm just going to enable this guy as well. So we can start to mix it a little bit. All right. So let's take a listen. So this is what they have in the beginning. And then as for the vocal, I just convert this vocal. I use me here to sing it for me, and then we have like that. Though it's not really perfect, but then you get the concept. What I literally do, what I did is just to have this one. You can see it, and then we just have it like that, so you can have that effect, and that's what they have there. Now, like I said before, what we have here is what they have all throughout the song. You can see that duplicated. What I did next to make it very interesting is to create a loop. So with the loop now, we have this to make things very fast. I created this loop.
Honestly,
you can see that.
So the time you saved my soul, you've been my
so let's take a listen to what I played here.
Honestly, so the time you saved my soul, you've been my remedy. And it's your love, no they finish. You love me, deep. So I will give you all my heart. I'll love you endlessly. I love you endlessly. Cause I have seen there is nothing in this world for me. Cause you are all that matters to me. Oh yeah. And just today, Lord, will use worth 1,000 elsewhere. Oh, I can't believe that the King of Kings knows me by my name. Where I've been the same, I'm forever changed. Thank you for your grace, grace.
So guys, as you can see, I played a lot of things from start to finish, but then due to this was not inside a song, I tried to, I don't want it to be too busy. Sometimes, by just making the beat very simple, speaks loud. All right. So for this case, I'm just going to mute this one and then let's dive in. Now, the next thing we have is to have something like this.
There is nothing in this world I have.
So for the kick, we have something like this for the kick. So that's what I played actually. And then I also introduced this guy. Strings. And then we also have something like this, like I've said before. That's just basically what they have there. And then as you can see this one right now, look at what is going to happen before we have it like this. Now, for those of you that cares, we have, let me show you the instrument that I use for that one. For this one, I use Omnisphere, and then under Omnisphere, I use this guy, as you can see it. So that's what I used right there to create that sound. All right. And then let's see which channel this one is. It's on track 6. So let's go to track 6 and mix it a little bit. All right. So I've mixed it a little bit, and literally what I did here is to add this guy, Valhalla, and then have it like 50% mix, the key to percent. All right. And then you can see that I take away the low, and then I had this guy, solid compressor. All right. So that we can have this sound. You see before? And we have something like this as well. Literally that's what I did there. I use sub-on bass for that one. Okay, I've talked about this. You can see that it's not really much, just the arrangement, and then you have a solid sound right there. Literally for the bass. Let me even group all the bass together so that you guys can take a listen to what I did. I use sub bass. You know this plugin. All right. So that's what I used right there. And then what I did is just to add a little bit of low cut for the vocal. This is the vocal, and this is the reverb for the vocal. All right. So you can see the reverb. I just had it like this. Remember, this is just sung by AI. All right. So, and then that's what I did. I don't really do much. Everything, I leave it like that. And then the grand piano, since we're not going to use grand piano, I'm just going to mute it. All right. And then we can just take a listen from start to finish. All right. So let's take a listen so that we, let's take a listen. Pretty that's everything. So, and then I just introduce all these ones.
Honestly.
All right. And then from the beginning, I play something like this. All right. I make it like a radio format, of course, which I've consolidated. And then here's what I'm going to do right now. Let's take a listen to everything from start to finish. And let me know in the comment section if you have any question. All right. So that being said, let's take a listen from start to finish. Let's get into the prompting.
Honestly, from the time you saved my soul, you've been my remedy. And it's your love, no, they finish. You love me, deep. So I will give you all my heart, I'll love you endlessly. I love you endlessly.
So guys, that's it for today and see you in the next one.